Q4. We'll, of course, be bringing you all the updates as far as HCLTech's Q4 results are concerned. In fact, we are learning is that HCL has declared its Q4 results. It's a miss on accounts, revenue, margins, PAT. In fact, has risen marginally quarter on quarter. In fact, it has declined as well. We are, of course, getting more details as far as HCLTech's results are concerned. In fact, the revenue stands at 28,499 crores versus 28,446 crores quarter on quarter. PAT, of course, is a bit down, 3,986 crores versus 4,350 crores. And of course, getting in some more details as well as far as HCLTech's results are concerned. So PAT declining on a quarter-on-quarter basis. It's, of course, as I'm being told, it's a miss on all accounts, PAT, margins as well. And to get us some first reactions from market experts, we're now joined by Mahantesh Sabarad, independent market expert. Mahantesh, how do you really see the first set of figures really coming in as far as HCLTech is concerned? Any different from what its peers have reported?
So the PAT decline seems to be a little bit of a worry, but I'm not sure whether there are any extraordinary items out there that would have caused the decline. One needs to look at the EBIT margin, basically the margin number, to figure out how the results are done. Otherwise, on the top line basis, it clearly seems to be a decelerating kind of growth, a situation which we have found something akin to all the IT companies thus far who have reported results.
Right. And Mahantesh, I also want to get in a word from you on what do you see is going to be the trajectory of the company going forward? We were just playing bites of leading IT companies, and of course in management, some of them said that 2025 is going to be a moderate year. We've also spoken to experts as well, saying that Q1 and Q2 is going to be are going to be decent quarters for IT companies. What is your view on that?
So, yes, indeed, some of the guidance given by IT companies suggest that the year ahead seems to be a very good year. There has been a deal win, but what has happened is the ramp-up is not happening for most of the IT companies. On the margin front, it's been a mixed bag. TCS reported better margins quarter-on-quarter, but we couldn't report any great uptake, and we see margins becoming a big worry for most of the IT companies as we go forward. So while top line growth seems to be moderate, there seems to be a new worry cropping up related to the EBIT margins.
Okay, Mahantesh, thank you very much for joining in with your perspectives and what you think of the initial set of numbers that are trickling in. We'll, of course, be, breaking these numbers down and doing a proper analysis over the next couple of hours. But ladies and gentlemen, just sharing the initial set of numbers that we are learning as far as HCLTech is concerned, as far as Q4 earnings are concerned. It's a miss on all counts, revenue, margin, PAT. Revenue has risen marginally, quarter on quarter. PAT has declined on a quarter-on-quarter basis. In fact, what we are also learning is that it has, of course, declared an interim dividend of 18 rupees per equity share. The margins seem to be contracting as well. EBITDA also has contracted, PAT has contracted, and revenue has gained, but just slightly.
If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe to ET Now.